Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix this error while launching GTA 5 or 5M. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you just need to open up CMD, your command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and then here you need to just write CFC /scan now, one word. Right, and then you just need to wait until the scanning process is done, and after scanning process is done, reboot your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then go to Steam or Epic Games. Whenever you basically have the game, then you just need to right click on it, properties, and then install files and verify integrity of the game file. So maybe the file that is mentioned is corrupted or missing, so it will restore all the files that you need here. And guys, if this did not work, then what you need to do here is to open a browser, go to dllme.com and write exact DLL that is on your error here. In my case is this one. Then you just need to search, then download it, and once you download to your computer, then you just need to extract all, for example, let's extract it to a desktop here. Then you will have a file. Then what you need to do here is to open up Steam or Epic Games where you have the game. Right click on it, go to properties, browse, and then where you have an exe file here, you just need to put that particular file in that folder, right? And then what you need to do here is to launch the game and the issue, or 5M, and the issue should be solved.